In this video, I want to go ahead and show you how to replace our low beam headlight bulb. This is located in the driver's side. The process is the same for the passenger side. We use our 10mm socket. We're going to remove the bolt here, and we're going to loosen our nut right here on the J-bolt to secure our battery. Get it loosened and remove this unit here and set that aside. Once we have that loose, I'm going to go ahead and use our 10mm gear wrench, loosen up our battery terminals. Pop these off. And remove our battery. I'm going to press in on this little spring tab here. Wiggle that connector off. Then go ahead and grab that bulb. We're going to turn that counterclockwise, unlock it, and pop it right out from the headlamp. On the back side of your headlight bulb here, there's going to be 3 tabs, and they are keyed, which means they are different sizes. So we want to go ahead and line this up, install it, and you're going to turn that bulb back and forth until you can feel those tabs lock in. The bulb will recess in all the way, and then turn it, and we'll lock that into place. Go ahead and take that harness, line that up, push it up. You can feel it in here lock into place. Go ahead and bring your battery over into place. Just going to lower this down into the battery tray. Once we have our battery in position, we're going to go ahead and install our hold down clamp right here. I'm going to drop this hook down on the back side, get that locked in. And bring this over. Let's go ahead and get our bolt mounted on the front side here. And what we want to do is go ahead and tighten these down. We're going to snug this down all the way, and then we'll slowly snug this one down just to hold the battery in place. You can feel that battery is secured, but you don't want to over tighten it and damage the battery. Next, go ahead and grab your positive terminal here, slide that into place. Grab your negative terminal, slide that and lock that into place. Now let's go ahead and tighten these down. And make sure these are nice and tight. You don't want these to vibrate loose. And go ahead and pop that cover on. Our battery still has a little bit of play in it here, so we are going to go ahead and tighten this down a little bit more. We're nice and tight. You're good to go.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.